Do I qualify for Social Security disability benefits if I've had a hip replacement? Unfortunately, the Social Security Administration doesn't always make it easy for those who've had a hip replacement to get the Social Security disability benefits they deserve. Many hip replacement claims are denied because the Social Security Administration says your hip replacement won't prevent you from working at least 12 months. Or they may say that the complications from your hip replacement just aren't severe. Or they may say that your hip replacement or the complications don't meet or equal a listing. Or they may say, you can go back to the lightest physically demanding job you held in the 15 years before you became disabled, and there's other work that you can do in the national economy in view of your age, education, skills, and your residual functional capacity. Now, not every case in which a person's had a hip replacement or complications is going to be severe enough to entitle you to Social Security disability benefits. But I have successfully represented many people who have had hip replacements and complications in getting their Social Security disability benefits. If your doctor has told you that it's time to stop working and apply for Social Security disability benefits, you owe it to yourself to call my office. I can help you file that application. And I'll tell you, the application is confusing, it's time-consuming, and sometimes the way that you fill it out will result in a denial of your claim. And if your claim has been denied, I'll help you get the Social Security disability benefits you deserve by working closely with you and your physician to show that you meet or equal a listing, or alternatively, you just can't go back to the lightest job you held in the 15 years before you became disabled, or any other work in the national economy in view of your age, education, skills, and residual functional capacity. Call me today to learn more about your rights to Social Security disability benefits, the 5-step sequential evaluation used in every case, the claims process, and get all of your questions answered. Make the call, Cavey Law, 727-894-3188.